What if I tell you there's an AI that doesn't just suggest code, but actually plans, writes, runs, tests, and fixes the entire project for you? Today, I'm showing you Gemini Antigravity, Google's next-generation agentic AI coding platform. And we'll build a real working project in this video. ISP. We have downloaded the Windows version. Let's try it out. Gemini Antigravity is not just another chatbot or IDE plugin. It's an agent-first development environment powered by Google Gemini. Gemini Antigravity is not just autocomplete like GitHub Copilot, and it's not just a question and answer tool like ChatGPT. It actually acts like a junior software developer. You give it a goal, and it independently decides which files to create, what code to write, how to test the application, and how to fix errors when something breaks. This is Google's vision of AI software engineers, not AI assistants. Let's build a real-world project. A REST API that accepts a URL, fetches the page title and meta description, and returns SEO-friendly JSON, basically a mini SEO analyzer chosen because it's useful, backend focused, and clearly shows how AI plans and builds a complete solution. Okay, I am going to give a prompt to build a Spring Boot REST API that accepts a URL, fetches the page HTML, extracts title and meta description, and returns JSON, add basic validation and error handling. It created the entire code as per the task plan, including the controller layer, service layer, request and response models, and the required POM configuration, all within a few minutes. Let's test the application for that, using my blog website, URL Digital Savvy Zone, and going to test through Postman. In this vlog on Gemini Antigravity, I just gave the URL and called the API, and within seconds, it automatically extracted the web page title and description. Based on the task plan, it generated the complete Spring Boot code, including the controller layer, service layer, request and response models, and even the required POM configuration, all in just a few minutes. This clearly shows how powerful Gemini AI is for rapid development and automation. Because Gemini Antigravity can read, write, and execute code autonomously, there's a risk of exposing sensitive code, secrets, or introducing insecure logic if its output isn't carefully reviewed. It should be treated like a powerful junior developer that requires strict access control, sandboxing, and human security oversight. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, hit like, subscribe for more real-world tech content, and I'll see you in the next one.